What's up YouTube? Flagstaff Avian, another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And today here we got a double unboxing, or actually double unboxing and review. So as you can see here on the left, we got a China Airlines A350, and on the right we have a Japan Airlines A350. So yeah, super glad to have these models. They're my first A350s in my collection, and I got these from this pretty cool model airplane store in Taiwan. So yeah, shout out to them. And yeah, and these two models are JC Wings. I had trouble figuring out what company the model on the left was from with my friends in this models group chat, but I eventually figured out that it was JC, so which is pretty cool. So yeah, let's get into it. We'll start off with the China Airlines one. So when I first got it, I could hear that there's something shaking inside, so it looks like, I don't know, there might be something inside. So as you can see, actually, before I open this, let's get this closed. All right, we got that closed. Let's get a better view of the box. Let's get this, there we go. All right, so as you can see, it just says China Airlines right here. There's their logo, and of course they're part of SkyTeam. And then we have this bird, which I had a bit difficulty of pronouncing. I believe it's Cermaticus Mikado. And then we have the picture of the bird right there. I believe it's the quotation marks unofficial bird of Taiwan. And then we also have the Airbus A350 logo right there. Side views of the box. Obviously 1/400 scale. And yeah, pretty cool box. As you can see in the back, it shows like a whole seating chart of the China Airlines A350, which is pretty cool. And yeah, let's get into the model. So as you can see, the noise, this was making all the noise. It's a stand and also comes with a free tug, which is pretty nice. Let's get this open first. All right, so there we got the stand put together, as you can see. And also there's the tug. Let's try to get this focus. Yeah, pretty cool. And yeah, let's take out the model. As you can see, first glance, it's a gray livery. Let's get this out of the box. Let's get this out of the way. And yeah, there she is, as you can see. Let's get this angled a bit better. Pretty nice looking aircraft. I'll put the flight charter effects right here for you guys while I put the box away. All right, there we go. So to start off the review, as you can see in the front, we have the nose cone detailed right there. Actually, I'm not too sure if it's detailed. You guys can see it right there. Then we also have the beautiful A350 cockpit windows, which are really nice on the A350. And then we also have the SkyTeam logo right there. And then we also have another little one right here at the L1 door. Then we have the registration at the front, which is quite interesting. It is Bravo-18901. And then we also have the name of the bird in English and also in Chinese. And then we also have the bottom landing gear right there, top antenna. Then we got an L2 door right there, along with the landing lights and the Rolls-Royce engines right there, or engine, because just one. And as you can see, we have the A350 winglets. I'm not too sure if it wants to focus on them, but yeah. And then we also have the China Airlines titles right there, which are pretty dope. And then we also have the bird right there in the back, along with Wi-Fi dome, and also the registration again, and also it says Airbus A350-900 right there. It's a bit dusty right there. As you can see, we have the beautiful China Airlines tail with the flower. So yeah, that's the left side of the aircraft. And here is the back view of the aircraft. You guys can see the APU detail right there, along with the wings. They look really nice. And then here is the right side of the aircraft. And before I forget to mention, the landing gear do roll, which is great. And as you guys can see, the only difference is that we got a cargo luggage door right there. It's right there, I believe, yes. And then we also have one back here, which is right before the registration. As you can see, gray livery. And here's the front view of the aircraft. You guys can see the beautiful engines and the whole aircraft. Really nice. And then we got a bird's eye view of the aircraft. And let's get a bottom view. Been forgetting to do these lately. We got the landing gear and the stand hole. So overall, it's a really cool model. Pretty rare, I'm sure. There's a bunch of other companies that have made this livery, but yeah, I'm surprised that this one came with a free tug and also a stand, but I'm not too sure if this stand is good because it's not too stable. But it actually does stay on there pretty well, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that's the China Airlines plane. So let's move into the Japan Airlines A350. So let's get this out of the way. And let's raise this camera. And let's put the box right here. So as you guys can see, it's just an orange box. We just got the computer generated image of the model. We got the Japan Airlines logo right there in the background. 1/4 harness scale, obviously. Japan Airlines logo. Airbus A350-900 and the registration, which is Juliet Alpha 03 X-Ray Juliet. And I'm not gonna show you guys the side views because it's just plain orange. So let's get this opened. As you can see, there's the model. Let's get this taken out. And of course, JC Wings always have these cool fact cards that come with the aircraft. Let's get this out of there. As you can see, pretty cool. We also have a few facts on the back. So yeah, pretty cool to have this come with the aircraft. Just put this to the side really quick while I try to take out the plane. Probably get this side out first. And there she is. Let's get this taken out. As you can see, beautiful model and livery. As you can see, I believe Japan Airlines has multiple liveries of on their A350s. So let's get this right here. And while I put the box away, let's get a better view of this so you guys can see the whole aircraft. While I put the box away, I'll let you guys look at the left side of the aircraft, and I'll put the flight radar facts right here for you guys. All right, there we go. I don't think this box likes to stand straight too well, so I'll just leave it facing down. All right, so to start off the review, as you guys can see, we got the nose cone detailed right there at the front. And then we also have the beautiful A350 cockpit windows, L1 door. Then we got the One World logo right there. Then we obviously got the bottom landing gear. And we also have the Japan Airlines titles right there. Pretty cool. And then we also have the One World logo right there on the L2 door. Get this camera a bit angled better. And we also have the landing lights right there. And on these engines, they do say Sustainable Development Goals, which is pretty cool. And then on this side, we also have the A350 winglet, as you can see. I like the Japan Airlines A350 as like a blend of a red at the end. And then over here in the back, it says Airbus A350 in green. We also have a Wi-Fi dome. Registration again, which is Juliet Alpha 03 X-Ray Juliet. And we also have the UNICEF logo, along with the Airbus A350-900 titles right there, as you can see. Try to zoom that all the way in. Not too sure if it wants to focus. There we go. And we also have the Japan Airlines tail. So yeah, as you can see, Japan Airlines has Oh, I also forgot to mention there's the Japanese flag right there after the Japan Airlines titles. As you can see, Japan Airlines livery is just kind of plain and simple. Kind of also a reason why I never got an aircraft with them, even though I've flown with them a lot in real life. As you can see here in the back, you guys can see the APU detailed right there, along with the back view of the aircraft. And here is the right side, as you can see. Pretty much the same as the front, except we got a cargo luggage door right there, and also one right here in the back under the A. And as we move to the front of the aircraft, let's move this box. You guys can see the engines, the inside of the engines, and also the front of the aircraft looks pretty cool. I like that the whole front looks really cool, along with the landing lights right there on both sides of the wings. And here's a bird's eye view of the aircraft. As you can see, the right wing has the Japanese flag and the registration again. And I'm pretty sure it has it also on the bottom, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it does. And these landing gear do tilt, which is pretty cool. And we also have a stand hole right there. So yeah, overall, it's a great model. Super glad to have this, especially because it's my first Japan Airlines. I know NG made a few Japan Airlines A350s. I might end up getting one of those, I'm not too sure, but yeah. Overall, these two models, I'm very happy with them, especially because there's not that many Asian models out there that you can get pretty easily. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more.